How to check unsent messages on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check unsent messages on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Insta. Now let's say that you have unsent a message here. So let me just text my friend and unsend another text here. Let me just unsend one. And now you want to retrieve that message or you want to check it. So the case is same when the person has sent you a message and they are the one that unsend it. So if that's the case and you want to check unsent messages, what you do is you download your information on Instagram, that is your data on Insta. So for that, you can head over to the bottom right corner on your profile button and tap on the three lines that is on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you'll be on Settings and Activity. There you'll find an option called Accounts Center. Tap on Accounts Center, and after you do that, you'll find different options right under Account Settings. There you'll find personal details, your information and permission and stuff like that. So what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to head over to your information and permissions. So tap on your information permissions, and after you tap on it, you'll see an option called Download Your Information. So tap on Download Your Information, and there you will need to download or transfer information. Simply tap on that option and just select your account. So I'll just select my account here and then tap on Next. After you do that, you'll then need to select what kind of information you want. If you want to download each and everything, just select all information. But in this video, we'll just select the message one. So tap on some of your information, and there you'll find a message option. So if you scroll down, you'll find messages. Tap on messages and tap on next. After you tap on next, it'll take some time. Now you can download it to your device or transfer it to a destination. So I'll just tap on download to device, and here I'll choose a date range. Now right here, you do not need to, select a long range. Just tap on custom and choose today's date. That should be completely fine. So I'll just choose 2025. So let me just change this. It's a little bit sensitive. So yeah, just select that and you should be good to go. Now you will be able to download these dates messages. So tap on create file. Now they will send a request for this data, and you can just come back here after the download's been ready. You will be notified. So after that, you can download the message and check the unsent messages, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.